Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to install these safety latches so your babies don't go opening your drawers or cabinets. They're pretty simple once you have an idea of how to do it. So the first thing you want to do is either remove your drawer completely, and if you have drawers like mine, you're going to have these latches right there, if you can see that little part. So what you want to do is move this one up, and then on the other side, you see that? You want to move this one down, and while doing that simultaneously, you just pull the drawer out. And then once your drawer is out, you can easily install that. So the next thing is you want to take this piece right here and a Sharpie, pencil, whatever you have, and then put it over here like that, and just mark where you're going to be drilling the screws in, or whatever you want to use to put those screws in. So once that's done, just get your screws right there, obviously drill them in, and then once that's in place, you want to take this thing here, the easy install template, and as you can see, I've already done the bottom drawer here. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this template, just shimmy it on there like that, and then just close this drawer. Once the drawer closes, this sticky part right there is going to get stuck on the back here. If it doesn't, you can always take the other drawer out and just make it get stuck by pushing your hand over there. So anyway, once that's in, again, you're going to take your pencil, Sharpie, whatever, mark the spots over here and here, and then just drill the screws in. One thing is that there is a lot of space in between here, as you can see, so you don't want to tighten it too much, because if it doesn't fit, you can move these up and down on the screws. So in my case, I had it perfectly aligned where it just went in and it's not coming out. So that's it.